Good evening friends, this is Gyandhara channel. Today we will discuss about the social science paper of UPTGT 2021. Earlier, a video is already uploaded in Hindi version. In this video, we will discuss about the papers and their descriptions. So now we move into the paper part. So the first question is asked by the board. Distance of 1 degree longitude at equator is. Options are 111.32 kilometer. Option B 112.57 kilometer. Option C 110.94 kilometer. Option D 111.78 kilometer. So the correct answer is 111.32 kilometer. Next question. Which one of the following pairs is not correctly matched? Options are Rajasthan, Anta. So Anta is situated in Rajasthan. Second option, Odisha, Gauripur. So this answer is not correctly matched because Gauripur is situated in Assam. Third option is Sikka, Gujarat. It is correctly matched. And Barauni in Bihar. You already know it. Barauni is situated in Bihar. So which one is not correctly matched? Odisha, Gauripur. Next question is green revolution means. Options are use of green manure. Option B grow more crops. Third high yield variety program. Fourth green vegetation. So the correct answer is high yield variety program. Question number 5. A statement is the New England industrial region is one of the most important region of the world. Region is industrial, raw material and transport facilities are well developed in this region. So though the statement is correct, but region is not correct because these facilities are prevailing in the past. So the answer is A is true but R is false. Next question is Doklam Plateau is situated in the tri-junction of. Options are India, Myanmar, China, India, China, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Myanmar, India, India, China, Bhutan. So the correct answer is India, China, Bhutan. Next question is placer deposits are found in. Options are alluvial fans and alluvial valley floors. Second is delta and loess. Third one is till plain and crevasses. Fourth one is submerged coast and solution valley. So the correct answer is alluvial fans and valley floors. Next question is graben is product of. ये आपसे पूछा गया है. So options are weathering, folds, faults and erosion. So the correct answer is faults. Question number 9. Continental drift theory is affirmed. Which statement or statements are true? Statements are number 1. Computer estimates of topographic fit of continent course. Second one is new investigations regarding the geological similarities between the southern continents. Third one is paleomagnetic studies. And fourth one is evidences of seafloor spreading. So the codes are 1, 2 and 3, 1, 3 and 4, 2, 3 and 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the correct answer is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Next question is nature is never more than advisor. Who said this statement? So options are Zimmerman, Sauer, Vidal de Lablas and G. Tatham. So the correct answer is Vidal de Lablas. Next question is which one of the following is correct classification of resources according to availability? Options are ubiquities, commonalities, and rarities. Second one is unused potential and latent. Third one is sustainable, improvable, and non-improvable. Fourth one is unused potential and rarities. So the correct answer is A. Next question is examine the following statements and select the correct answer using the codes given below. First statement is fog lifts up when the ground gets heated as the sun comes up. So think about this statement. It is true or false? So this is true. Next statement is fog occurs in the early morning due to radiational cooling. So this statement is also true. So the answer is C. Question number 13. Kral settlement is associated with. Options are Tungu, Yakuts, Sakai, and Masai. So the correct answer is Masai. Next question is group of countries in descending order in production of paddy incorrect. Options are India, China, Brazil, Bangladesh, China, India, Japan, Indonesia, China, India, Pakistan, Indonesia, China, India, Bangladesh, USA. So the correct answer is D. Okay. Next question is Shiv-Samudram hydroelectricity station is situated at. Options are Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, and Odisha. So Shiv-Samudram is situated in Karnataka. Next question is 16 number. In which of the following region biodiversity is richer? Options are tropical region, polar region, temperate region, and oceanic region. So the correct answer is oceanic regions. Next question is Yurt is the house of. Options are Eskimos, Pygmies, Bushman, and Kyrgyz. So the correct answer is Kyrgyz. Question number 18. Witlesi has divided major agriculture regions of the world in. Options are 11 regions, 12 regions, 13 regions, and 14 regions. So the correct answer is 13 regions. Question number 19. Which one of the following is known as fountain of prosperity? Options are coal, mineral oil area, natural gas, solar energy. So the correct answer is B. Mineral of oil area. Next question is in which country Pittsburgh industrial area is located? Options are Russia, USA, Great Britain, Western Europe. So the correct answer is USA. Next question is the statement is given in this question Ahmedabad is called Manchester of India. So this sentence is correct. Next region is Ahmedabad is commercial producer of cotton textile in India. It is also correct and region is explaining the assertion. So the answer is A. Question number 22. Isolated rural settlements are found. Options are the higher parts of Sahyadris, Rayalaseema region, Baghelkhand region, and lava plateau of Maharashtra. So the correct answer is the higher parts of Sahyadris. Next question is Bushman Hottentot race is concerned with. Options are Negroid, Caucasoid, Mongoloid, and Australoid. So the correct answer is Negroid. Question number 24. Dead Sea is a lake formed by. Options are Rift Valley, alluvial fan, folding, and crater. So the correct answer is Rift Valley. Question number 25. Who is the father of possibilism? Options are Lucien Febvre, Jean Bruns, Isa Bowman, and G. Taylor. So the correct answer is in the given options Lucien Febvre. Next question is 26. The largest milk producer states of India is. Options are Punjab, Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh, and Rajasthan. So the correct answer is Uttar Pradesh. Question number 27. Which one is the correct order of evolution of economic activities? Options are agriculture, urbanization, food collection. B option is food collection, industrialization, agriculture. C option is agriculture, food collection, urbanization. And D option is food collection, agriculture and industrialization. So the correct answer is and sequence is food collection first, second agriculture and third one is industrialization. Next question is who wrote the book entitled Our Wandering Continents? Options are V. Grajt, B option A. Du Toit, C option A. Wagner, D option G.H. Dury. So the correct answer is B. Duet. Question number 29. Garo Rajmahal gap was formed by options are warping, jointing, downfaulting, over thrust folding. So the correct answer is downfaulting. Next question is which one of the following formed of settlement develops along either sides of roads, rivers or canals? Options are circular, cross-shaped, linear, square. So the correct answer is linear. Next question is give an example of folded mountain in South America. Options are Rocky Mountain, Andes Mountain, Alps Mountain and Appalachian Mountain. So the correct answer is Andes Mountain. Rocky Mountain is situated in northern America and Alps is situated in Europe and Appalachian is situated in North American continent in eastern part. Next question is which one of the following countries is not major rubber producer? Options are Brazil, Thailand, Indonesia and Malaysia. So the correct answer is Brazil. Next question, 33 number question. Which one is not a theory of origin of coral reefs? Options are subsidence theory of Darwin, erosional cycle theory of Davis, standstill theory of Murray, and D option is glacial control theory of Delhi. So the correct answer is B, erosion cycle of the Davis. Next question is the thermal contraction theory was produced by options are Ohm, Joly, Wagner and Jeffries. So the correct answer is Jeffries. Question number 35. When was international date line fixed? Options are 1904, 1884, 1917, 1894. So the correct answer is 1884. Question number 36. Hectopascal is a unit to. Options are measure the energy. Second, measure the air pressure. Third one is measure the thickness of ozone layer. And D option is measure the solar radiation. So the correct answer is measure the air pressure. So can you tell me what kind of units are measure the thickness of ozone layer? Kindly post in chat box and comment box. Question number 37. 37 is the term monsoon is originated from. Options are Arabic, Spanish, Hindi, English. So the correct answer is Arabic. Next question is what is the reason behind the not equal division of day and night on Earth? Options are rotation of Earth on axis, B. Revolution of Earth around the Sun, C. Earth orbit is geoid, D. Tilting of Earth on its axis. So the correct answer is D. Question number 39. Among the following, which one is not related to agricultural revolution? Options are white revolution, B. Blue revolution, C. Yellow revolution and D. None of the above. So D option is correct. Question number 40. Who is called yellow dwarf? Options are Mars, Saturn, Sun, Uranus. So the correct answer is Sun. Question number 41. Which is the largest cotton producing state in India? Options are Gujarat, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Uttar Pradesh. So the correct answer is Gujarat. Question number 42. The correct descending order of the manganese production countries are. Options are South Africa, Australia, China, India. B. China, India, Australia, South Africa. C. Australia, China, India, South Africa. D. India, China, South Africa, Australia. So the correct answer is A. South Africa, Australia, China, India. According to 2019 data. Question number Question number 43. For resource conservation, it is necessary. Options are maintain balance between man and resources. B. Rotational rational use of resources. C. Development of resources. And D. All of the above. So for the resource conservation, all three statements are correct. So the answer is D. Question number 44. Conservation of biodiversity is important for. Options are animals and plants, C, plants, and D, organisms. So the correct answer is D. Question number 45. Which of the following rocks is not likely to contain fossils? Options are conglomerate, granite, shale, sandstone. So the correct answer is granite. Question number 46. In which part of Himalayas we find Kareva formation? Options are Northeast Himalayas, Eastern Himalayas, Himachal Uttarakhand Himalayas, and Kashmir Himalayas. So correct answer is Kashmir Himalayas. Question number 47. Laterite soil is found in. Options are Uttar Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Maharashtra. So the correct answer is Maharashtra. Question number 48. The rural settlements collective forms of Russia is known as. Options are village, farmstead, sovkhoz, homestead. So the correct answer is C. Question number 49. On which river Hirakund Dam has been built? Options are Godavari, Kaveri, Mahanadi, Periyar. So the correct answer is Mahanadi. Question number 50. Who described geography as the science of human ecology? Options are Mackinder, Blas, Barrows, and Bruns. So the correct answer is Barrows, H. Barrows in 1925. Question number 51. The book Human Geography: A Welfare Approach is written by. Options are David Harvey, Peter Haggett, D.M. Smith, and Richard Peat. So the correct answer is D.M. Smith. Question number 52. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer from the quotes given below. So in one side, in list 1, there are names of scholars, and list 2 is associated their theories. So G.B. Airy given a theory of canal or canal theory, and Wevell has given the theory of stationary wave theory, and Harris had given progressive wave theory, and Isaac Newton has given the theory of equilibrium, okay, or equilibrium theory. So you can match the quotes. Question number 53. Which one of the following is called rainforest of oceans? Options are corals, oceanic deposits, tides, currents of the oceans. So the correct answer is corals. Question number 54. Which one of the following is generally found in sedimentary rocks? Options are basalt, shale, silica, and magnesium. So the correct answer is silica. Question number 55. Which one of the following Indian states is not traversed by Tropic of Cancer? Options are Tripura, Mizoram, Manipur, West Bengal. So the correct answer is Manipur. Question number 56. According to the Thornthwaite dash 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 type of climate is found in New Zealand. Options are B dash B B dash R, B A dash R, B B dash W, B A dash W. So the correct answer is B B dash R. Question number next is the highest mountain of southern India is. Options are Nilgiri, Annaimudi, Dodda Betta and Kodaikanal. So the correct answer is Annaimudi. Next question is 58. The highest and lowest population density difference during 2001 and 2011 was recorded respectively in. Options are Uttar Pradesh and Sikkim, Haryana and Nagaland, West Bengal and Mizoram, Bihar and Arunachal Pradesh. So correct answer is Bihar and Arunachal Pradesh. So the question is very confusing, uh, but as I can understand, the answer is Bihar and Arunachal Pradesh. Question number 59. Which of one of the following states recorded the lowest decadal growth rate of population according to 2011 census? Options are Kerala, Goa, Sikkim and Nagaland. So the correct answer is Nagaland. Question number 60. Which one of the following statements is not true about the Coriolis force? Options are it is the it is the effect of earth rotation and it is a frictionless force. So it is correct about the Coriolis force. B. It is maximum over polar regions. It is also correct. It is directly related to frictional forces. Okay. And D1 is it is proportional to wind speed. So answer is this option is not true about Coriolis force. Question number 61. Which one of the following pairs is not correctly matched? In one side, there are various types of forests, and on another side, there occupied major areas. Option A, tropical rainforests, Congo Basin. Yes, it is correctly matched. Conical forest in the northern Canada. It is also correct. Mediterranean forests, California. It is also correct. And D1 is tropical deciduous forests, Mongolia. It is not correct because in Mongolia there are various types of temperate forest exist. So question number 62. In which state of India Mahatma Gandhi hydropower project is located? Options are Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Gujarat. So the correct answer is Karnataka. Question number 63 and last question of this video is Leningrad port is situated at. Options are Canada, Russia, Australia and Japan. So the correct answer is Russia. So one question from my side is, can you arrange the major islands of Japan from north to south and also in a descending order of their sizes? So please inbox or click the answers in the comment box. So I hope this video will be beneficial for the upcoming exams related to geography in various upcoming exams like RPSC, UPHESC, UPGIC PGT and UPPGT, UPSE SSB. So that will be very helpful for that exams. Thank you for listening and their patience. Thank you very much.